It's no secret that we have been opposing the punitive tariffs on Chinese electric vehicles from the very start of the discussion, because we believe that they do not lie in the interest of the people in Europe, and certainly not in the interest of the people in Germany. And there are many reasons for that. One of the main reasons is that China has become an innovation leader in electric mobility in Europe, but in Germany especially. We have a national plan to transition to electric mobility. We need more variety, we need more competition to bring the prices down. New models in Germany, affordable models, would have helped. That is a main reason, one main reason why we were opposed from the beginning. Second, we believe in the strengths of our automotive industry. It's a pillar industry in Germany. And even that automotive industry was opposed to punitive tariffs from the very beginning because they cooperate well with Chinese companies. It's a mutual innovation, it's a mutual learning. And also we don't want to start a spiral of protectionist trade measures that no one benefits from in the end. It will be a lose-lose situation. And third, we would have preferred to have more constructive approaches to actually, help and incentivize Chinese manufacturers to manufacture in Germany. Tariffs is, I think, the worst instrument to be implemented. The transition to electric mobility is a cornerstone of climate protection, and we need to support and advance that transition. Now, Chinese electric vehicle companies have really set standards in that specific industry, and I hope that they can also contribute globally to help transition faster and easier to electric mobility. And as I said, competition is good for innovation. I'm still confident in the German car industry as well. And the more variety we have, the better.